Quite often, Brussels sprouts are a little bitter. So that's why I'm using a little sugar in the recipe. I'm going to steam them for exactly 1 minute. Started. And then, it's not complicated. This is just a plain old way to eat them. Put a couple of tablespoons of butter in there. And salt and pepper. Toss it. If the butter goes brown, fine. If the butter doesn't go brown, that's fine too. It depends on the size of your flame. And or if you want the flavoring of brown butter. So that's it. And we got 10 seconds. I've been talking. This will be for a minute. And the alarm's going to go off. That was it. You know what? We'll let it go for another minute. Repeat. Okay, that's it. And the reason why I'm just not sauteing this straight all the way, because I don't want to shrink it up too much. And you know, when you saute something, moisture leaves it. So let's take this off and wait just a couple of minutes. And look at that bright green color. Now I know the brown sugar is going to darken it a bit, and I could have listened. I could have used just whatchamacallit, plain sugar. But I like brown sugar sometimes. What can I tell you? Who's ever doing the cooking? It's their prerogative what to do, how to use it, as long as they don't screw up the recipe. So that's melting. This is going in there. The flame is high because I want this to start. Now you know you find cabbage. I find this in some salad mix recipes, store-bought. And you eat it raw, like this, not cooked. So in a way, that's what we're doing. A little salt, the brown sugar, cracked pepper, and then we just stir. And in another minute or so, it's done. That's only if you want to eat this very, very firm, hard. Now the sugar in there certainly will start to burn. So we're going to lower the flame. I want to take a piece out and eat it right now. This is enough for 3 people to go along with your protein item and your starch, if that's what you want. Well, you can just have this for 2 people and no starch. Noisy. Now I'm going to taste this, and I think the sugar and the salt and the pepper is the right amount. You'll know in about a second. I hate putting hot food in my mouth. That's why most of the time, if I'm not done with my salad, I'll put the main course in front of myself, and then I'll push it to the side while everybody else is eating it, and I'll finish my salad. That's it. Done. Cut it off. Well, it's nice. That little bit of brown sugar helped. Now push this off. And when it's time to eat in about an hour or so, turn it on, heat it up, and serve it. Enjoy.